Hi, this is Umar from Tutorials Hub, and in this video we will be discussing how to fully delete Discord from PC. Now this is going to be a step-by-step guide, so make sure you follow till the end of this video. The very first thing that I would like to mention is that you can head over to the link in the description to simply donate to our channel, and it will be super amazing and supportive if you actually do that. Now we have a software in here that is called Revo Uninstaller, and what this does is basically it goes to the root of that particular software, whatever you would like to uninstall. So not only Discord, but this can work on literally any software that you want to completely uninstall from your PC, and it is going to be detecting first, scanning all of your files and your directories, and completely uninstalling your software from there. So using this is pretty easy, and the best part is you also have first month for completely for free. So simply download it from using this option, then head over to your logs database, and you're going to be searching Discord in your search bar, as you can see in here. Then click on delete, and that is pretty much it for once you need to have your uninstall option. In here you can see in the apps and features you will have this option to uninstall that, but using Revo uninstaller, it is going to be completely literally uninstall each and everything. So yeah, make sure you try this out. Also, do not forget to head over to the link in the description, using which you can now donate to our channel. So it is going to be super amazing. And yeah, thank you so much guys. See you in the next couple of videos. Until then, take care.